Hey guys, so for part two, I wanted to take a look at how we can add questions and the different types of additions we can make to these Google Forms. And we are going to be focusing on our toolbar right here on the right. You'll see the first is a plus. We click on that to add a question. Now it's going to automatically default to multiple choice. But you can see you can set the question up as short answer, 1 or 2 sentences, paragraph, which provides space for a longer answer, multiple choice, check boxes if you'd like them to be able to pick more than one answer, a drop-down menu, a linear scale, so if they agree or disagree, you can have a setting of 1 to 5, multiple choice grid view, or a checkbox grid. Show you short answer, you'll see you just get the one line. That'll allow them to type 1 or 2 sentences. Your paragraph, you can see here the line's already longer and it's going to let the students type a lot more than just your short answer. Then we have the multiple choice, which you add all the options that they can choose from. The check boxes, same thing. You add all the options that you would like them to be able to choose from. Just for these questions, they can pick more than one. Your drop-down menu, which, like it says, you would click on the little caret, and pretty much how this shows up, that's what would show up for the students. They would get to pick all the answers that you added for that drop-down menu. Your linear scale, 1 to 5, you can label what 1 is and label what 5 is, so least or most. Your multiple choice grid view. So pretty much it's going to show up looking like a waffle, just like we have up here for Google, but they are going to be able to pick one from the row or the column that would best match the answer that you're looking for, or the checkbox grid, which is kind of like the checkboxes up here. Just instead of having it in a linear fashion straight down, it would present it more as a waffle across that they could pick more than one answer for. Finally, down here, you will see you can duplicate the question just by clicking on that. You see it created the question again. We can get rid of it very easily by hitting the trash can. And over here, if you want to make sure the students have to answer this question before they submit, just make sure that the required button is toggled on. And that makes it so that students cannot submit this form without answering that question first.